criminals from looting in the streets. They call Owlman and a comedian. And then Silk, this lady here, Silk Spectre, she's married to wAtchmeN. And this guy here is a detective that works for wAtchmeN, and apparently somebody is trying to kill all of these superheroes here, and wAtchmeN sends out this man here. Actually, this guy's probably based on Batman, because Batman is supposed to be a detective. But this guy only goes out at night. So at the beginning of the movie, we see that he's climbing up the side of buildings and this and that, and he's killing cops. So he's obviously a murderer also. So I don't really know if he's really a hero or a good guy or what. But he is a detective and he works for wAtchmeN. Okay, so enough of the characters. Oh, this guy is also like Captain America, in the sense that he's a soldier too. So I mean, the similarities are very much similar. There are very many similarities, and all the similarities are pointing to one thing, and that is Zack Snyder and Dave Gibbons pretty much based their characters on Marvel Comics characters. Okay, here's this guy again. And again, I don't know who he is, but he's not really in the movie a whole lot, so it doesn't matter. Here's this guy here. He's a detective that works for wAtchmeN. Here's wAtchmeN here. Sometimes wAtchmeN wears a suit. Sometimes he wears something that looks like black brief, like underwear briefs. Sometimes he doesn't wear any clothes at all. I don't understand that, but he just doesn't wear them. And again, Silk Spectre, Owlman. You know, actually, this guy looks like he was kind of based on Superman a little bit with his cape. Here's the comedian again. And as you can see, he's pretty much based on some kind of a soldier, warrior kind of a character. So here's how the story goes. Okay, this won't take that long because it's a pretty simple story. It's basically based on, as I said, a lot of the other ideas behind some of the Marvel Comics characters. It goes like this. There is a superhero named wAtchmeN, and what wAtchmeN does is he watches. He actually lives. He lives on the moon, and what he does is he looks at. Oh, and his wife lives on the moon with him. So, Silk Spectre lives on the moon with wAtchmeN, and basically what he does is he lives up there in some kind of a watch castle. It moves around like a watch, like a ticking clock, and then he watches the Earth. And so in that sense, again, you're kind of basing this on other characters. So I mean, if you remember from the movie Superman Returns, Superman lives